Hi there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on a clip using CapCut. So I have a clip here that I'm going to add to my timeline. And let's say I want to get a close-up of this hiker. So if I don't want to do anything fancy with it and purely just zoom in, it's as simple as adjusting the scale slider and moving the video around like so. But let's say I want to make it more gradual, sort of animate the zoom in. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this diamond button. This is to add a keyframe. Keyframes are sort of like the transition states. Your video will adapt to whatever the keyframe is set to. So for example, right now it's set to 100. That means the video is at 100% scale. But if I play it a bit forward, then add another keyframe and then make this one 200, for example. What's going to happen is the keyframe will smoothen out the transition between 100 to 200% scale. So if we move the playhead back and play the video, we can see the zoom in is a lot more gradual. Now let's say I want to zoom out. I'll add another keyframe here near the end and then play it forward. And right at the end of the clip, I'll add another keyframe. Set this to 100, back to the default. Then let's watch the whole clip. There you go. So now there's a zoom in and a zoom out. Keyframes let you adjust how fast they are, how fast these zoom ins happen. All you have to do is move these keyframes closer together, or you can make it slower by moving them further apart, make them more gradual. Another example I can use is for position. Let's say when I'm zooming in, I want to center the screen on the hiker and get some of that mountain summit in frame. I'll add a keyframe here at the start. Then I'll sync it up with the keyframe up here on the scale. So I'll click this arrow here, next keyframe. So this centers it. This is to ensure that these two keyframes are synced up properly. Now I'm just going to drag the hiker in the frame, get some of the summit in view. Then I'm going to click next keyframe here. I'm going to change the position, add the keyframe here, like so. Then click on next. Then add a keyframe here and set this to 0. Now, if you watch the video, it should zoom in and sort of track the hiker a little bit and zoom out. There we go. That's how to zoom in using CapCut, using keyframes. I hope I was able to teach you something new, and thank you for watching.